Yay! I've got 3 brand new packages. Can you guess what's inside? Oh, you've read the title of the video. Well, but let's open them. Now, this one's the heaviest, this one is the fattest, and this one is definitely the lightest. So let's do lightest first and see what is inside. Or actually, should I open lightest first and see what is inside? I think I should do that. That was cool. Wait a second. What? What is this? What on earth is this? Not what I was expecting, but hey, let's open it and find out. The pink case is cool though. But let's move on to our next package. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be another fidget spinners video because I know they're a craze. I absolutely love money. I literally have sore hands and fingers from spinning these things all the time. What am I doing? I'll see you soon. Bye.